Oh my gosh, look at this! Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie. Today is nail tutorial video. Yay! So I just did cute nails done by myself. Look at this. It's like pink iridescent thread design. So actually I cheated today. I used a nail decal from DAISO, which I got with $1.50 the other day. Since I used on my nails already, so I only have this much left. But can you see it? So it's very pretty. Yeah, it's really pretty. And I just wanted to show you how you use this type of nail decals on your nails. And I put on gel, but you can totally put on your regular nail polish. So I'll just show you how I did on my own nails today. I know I didn't put any Barbie decals or I didn't paint any Barbie face this time, but still I think they look really pretty. Yay! So please watch how I did. I only put gel on my right hand. This design is coming from this nail sticker from DAISO, $1.50. This is so cool. Can you see it? So I already used some part because I already put on my right hand. So it's like pink iridescent thread. Like it's already making some cool pattern. So you just need to cut out and put on your nails. So I will show you how you put this type of sticker on your nails, especially when you are doing gel at home. So my left hand, I just removed gel, so they are ready to put some gel on. Let me start from clear gel. I always prefer thin coat. Remember, when you apply gel, especially on the side, you push down the skin. And this is optional. I put gel on the back side as well, like a little bit. And I put into the light and cure for 1 minute. And I put in some color on the back. I always do this because it's not just pretty, but it keeps the gel stays longer. But like I said, it's optional. You don't have to do this. When you paint on the back side, of course it takes more time, and of course it also takes longer when you remove gel. So if you don't want to take much time, I don't recommend doing this. Okay, the first coat, just for 30 seconds. And the second coat for the back. Now put into the light again for 30 seconds. This way. And this time I'm using this really pretty light pink. Actually it's slightly shimmer, very pretty color. And so I apply this color. I really like this color. I like both dark, like hot Barbie pink, and also light pastel pink. I like both. I'm not a huge fan of bubblegum pink. Okay, the first coat and put into the light for 30 seconds. Okay, now let's paint the second coat. When you paint your own nails, sometimes your hands are shaky, right? So I have a tip for you. So put your arm on your table like this, so it's stable, right? It's stable, right? And the hand which you're using for painting, so like this time I'm painting with my right hand, right? Your right hand should be on your left hand like this. So you're holding your right hand with your left hand. You know what I'm saying? So both of your arms are really stable. This is why my hands are not shaky. You know, if your hands are like this without any support, of course your hands gonna be shaky. But if your hands are on the other hand like this, look, see? It's super stable. Like really. Easy, right? And then when you paint on thumb, same. Go like this. Actually, I'm holding my thumb with my pinky, like this. You always need some support. I know for beginners, some people go like this, but if you are putting your hand on the table and painting, it's farther. But if you could paint like this way, actually your eyes are closer so you can watch how you paint. So if you can see closer, you don't put gel on your skin. See? Look nice, right? So please try this. Yeah, I totally recommend this way when you paint your own nail. Like this time, I'm supporting with my pinky on my left hand, so it was stable. Okay, I painted the second coat. Now cure in the light. This time I cure a little bit longer. Let's say 1 minute. Curing time is always depends on the gel brand you use or depends on what kind of light you use. But this time I wanna cure completely. So now the color is cured, totally cured. Let's do the design part. Finally the fun part. I know the base part is not really fun. So here I have the sticker nail decal, which I got from Daiso with just $1.50. I really like this design, super pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. Actually, I don't know why I didn't get this multiple here, because I needed to try. Now I know it works really well. So next time when I go to Daiso, I will definitely buy this more for sure. When you put the nail stickers, if you're putting the little one, it's easier. You just peel and place on any position you want. But like this one, you have to cover on the whole nail. Yeah, so I will show you how I do this. Actually, it depends on the gel color. If the color was not that sticky, you can put the sticker without wiping. But if the gel was the kind which still keeps some stickiness on the surface, you have to wipe off the surface with rubbing alcohol. But this time, I would say the color is cured enough. It still has a little sticky feeling, but not that bad. I'm pretty sure the sticker will stick well. So I'm not wiping off this time. But like I said, if your gel color has too much stickiness, you have to wipe off with rubbing alcohol a little bit, okay? And let me start. So here I have stickers, and I just need to place it. If you cut into smaller size, actually it's easier. Let's see. Let me cut into smaller size now. Make sure it covers whole nail. And have tweezers and peel it. And don't touch the back side, okay? And just place it. You can touch the surface of the sticker. You see, there's no shrink. If you have flatter nails, it's always easier for working with nail stickers. But if your nail got arch, like strong curve, sometimes it's hard to place. Now you just need to cut the excess part of sticker And I always recommend to cut sticker slightly smaller than your actual nail. If the sticker was bigger than your nails, top coat won't work well. So I would cut just a little bit smaller than actual nail. But it'll still look pretty, so don't worry. You don't want to go too far from cuticle, but if it was attaching on your cuticle, you cannot cover with top coat well. So always cut out from a slightly smaller than your actual nail. Yeah, don't let the sticker stay on your skin. And when you use little scissors, don't cut yourself. Okay, now it's totally covered. I got a little shrink here, but okay level. Look, cool, right? Yeah. So when you put the sticker like this, first I cover with not top coat but base coat, the soft gel, to seal it with very thin coat. Very thin coat is good. Yeah, you don't want to go too thick with this one. Just seal. So, but make sure you cover the edge too. Okay, very thin coat, but cover the whole thing. Okay, and put into the light. Okay, looking good. And if you're done with this design, now you can cover with top coat and cure. But this time I'm putting the smaller size of gel, like smaller version of this gel. Before putting this gel, I'm wiping off the sticky part, clear acrylic powder, and acrylic liquid. It's the same method as when I put huge one. So just take a small amount of acrylic and place these stones on the bottom. Like this. The little one is cute too, right? Yeah, before getting harder, you can fix it. Oops. Yep. Oh. Oh, no. Oh no. That's okay. I'll put more. And add. Okay, good. And in the gap, you add a little more acrylic just to fill. And usually they stay like a month. And don't cover on the stone. The stone will get blurry. Okay, good. So I'm done with my middle finger. So now I need to put more stickers on the rest of nails. Okay, perfect. I mean, it's not perfect. I got 2 shrinks here, but that's okay level. Keep doing this. all the sticker parts are done. Remember? Cover with clear gel, then coat, but cover from the edge to edge. Okay, put into the light. The reason why I seal with base coat is so top coat has more purpose for shininess to make them glossy and also coat the surface, but not the best purpose for sticking. You know what I'm saying? So to seal the stickers, base coat works better than top coat. Just for your information. After sealing with base coat, I can finally cover with top coat. The one with the stone, I'm putting top coat, but I don't cover the top coat on the surface of rhinestone. You see? You know what I'm saying? I'm just putting on the edge, but not on surface of stone. So only on this nail, I put top coat with skinny brush. Yeah, and also on the back side. Alright. Shiny! And put into the light. For other nails, you don't have to use the tiny brush, but just use the regular brush for top coat. Okay. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Look at this. I know they look too oily. It's just because I just put cuticle oil. That's why. But look at these nails. The nail part is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I just love these. I know I didn't put any Barbie stickers or Barbie paint this time, but I really wanted to try this decal, pink iridescent thread nail decal from Daiso, and it worked really well. Wow. And I'm pretty sure you can also put on just regular nail polish or gel polish. Yeah, you could totally use on either one. Yeah, they turn out really good. Don't you love them? I love them. I'll show you close up. Very pretty. Wow, I love them. Yay! Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pink Static Barbie quarantine. Bye.